Today on the 50 Hotels in 50-Day Challenge, we are headed to the W South Beach, one of the coolest hotels in Miami Beach. Now, let's review the rules here. I have to go in unannounced. I'm looking for a unique amenity or service that's available to everybody and is in a public area. So let's head on over and see what we discover. Welcome to the 400-room W South Beach, where every guest room has a view of the ocean. This hotel opened in 2009 to rave reviews and still has that it factor. Just take a look at this lobby. What most people don't know is they have a $50 million contemporary art collection with 21 original pieces by Andy Warhol throughout the property. It's got great places to sit. This area is one of my favorite bars in the city. And the team at this hotel takes great pride on all of the small details. When you check into this hotel, you're assigned a W Insider to help you have the stay of your dreams. And you can do that just by visiting this hotel lobby. Go grab a drink at the bar and sit down at this beautiful table in the lobby and enjoy a game of chess with one of your friends. There's no better place to sit, take in the artwork, enjoy the scene of Miami Beach than in this lobby. So next time you visit Miami Beach, make sure to check out the W South Beach.